Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Delabs tokens on Binance Alpha. So Delabs just get listed on Binance Alpha and I will show you how to buy it. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search bar here in the top and then you can search Delabs. Delabs. And search it. You will find the labs on Alpha. You can click it, and then this is the charts, guys, and I think it's not really bad, it's good. Maybe there is a chance to go higher, but you have to do your own research. This is not financial advice. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. Also, you can check their social media and their official website. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put the price you want to buy like this, and yeah, like this, or you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to Delabs. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.